All right, what's good, Joe? So today, I'm gonna finish setting up my desktop environment, and then I also want to set up GNU stow, because I heard that's good. It'll probably make it easier to do my file management, but I also want to write down all the packages I use, because I deleted that um when I deleted the install script. So let's start with actually I don't even think I wrote down any of them. So let's. Oh wait, it's right here, bro. I'm silly. That should be in the top level. Wait, delete this. Are those made by default? Projects. All right. So for Sway, let me check this because I know I changed some stuff. Oh, not neovim. I'm stupid. .config sway config. So we have packed. We can do this at the same time. Okay, and then we have light. What? Really? Oh. Wait, how's that possible? I might have changed that without updating it. Okay, I'll have to figure that out later. Not later, but actually I can just do it now. That's weird. Cause I could have sworn I had the pack. Did I spell it wrong? No, because then it wouldn't have worked before. Yeah, pack TL. Oh, it exists already. Okay, never mind. I was like, I knew it worked. Okay, light. Player CTL. I know there's a way to. What just happened? Interesting. Anyway, so I just did that. It's player CTL. All right. Delete word and terminal. Control W. Okay, cool. So that's fine. Grimshot, I for sure know I kept. Wait, this is just Grimshot. Oops. Yes. Swipe idle. Okay, so I've always been curious about this. Do these come pre-installed? Sway idle? Sway lock. Oh. Wait, did I just break this? Okay, it's still working. Cool. Okay, so sway lock comes, but sway idle does not. Sway idle. WL clipboard. I already installed that because I needed it for something. Pipewire, pulse. Pretty sure Pipewire already exists, but Pipewire, pulse. Oops. this is install. Cool. And then W logout. That one I know for sure I don't have by default. All right, Tofi, that's this. So I already have it. Waybar, I also already have that. But with Waybar, you need the fonts. So let me go ahead and get those. I think usually I just install all of them because I'm lazy, but where's the whole thing? That's gonna take forever. So while that does thing, I have Kitty already and high fetch Python. Wait, can you do sudo? Dang, apps. Oh, it is in there. That's sick. It's just a normal package. Okay, so I do need the Selma client, but I'll set that up. I should go through and set that up. Off recording. Yeah, it's gonna take forever and a half. Local send, Firefox already have. OBS already did. This I don't need to do anymore. Add PPA. System, package. Okay, and then local send. Oh, right. I did this off. Local send. There it is. Downloads. Oh, I did a Flatpak. Or I could have did the .dev. I don't really could have. Let's do. So Dolphin is not required anymore for me. I can just use Nemo. That comes with this. I just realized it's gonna be super slow while I'm downloading stuff at the same time. But also it's kind of large. There's just a gig already. I think I just did those, so I just need these three now. We can do another, so not tree, htop, and ncdu. Dude, can I not type in my password? All right, cool. So that's that. I don't really care about this anymore. VLC, YT, DLP. I think there's a Python package though. Oh, I already had it? That's crazy. Install. Awesome. Tempeg. Kden Live I don't need it right now. There we go. Network manager and yeah, so network manager. And then Background and GDB should already be installed. GDB. Oh, it's not. Okay, cool. And then desktop is another source. Oh. Desktop. Don't need this anymore. And I think it's an app image. Oh. It's gonna take forever to, oh, no, it did that one first. Cool. So let's go to downloads and then make this executable. And then where does this go again? Isn't it like .local share maybe? Applications, and I think that's where that goes. Yeah. So we'll move desktop to .local share applications. Oops. There we go. And we should be able to launch a desktop from Tofi now. Or not. Did I put it in the wrong place? .local share applications. Interesting. Wonder if it'll make its own. All right, so while that does its thing, rip grep and fd, I think it's named differently on Ubuntu. Oh, I spelled it wrong. It's rip grep. Cool. So this is fd find on Ubuntu. Install make and cmake. I already did the Rust stuff. Oh, cool. So nerd fonts, that's still downloading, I think. Oh, is it done? Cool. So let's go to downloads and then tar, something like XZF, I think. I think that was right. Where make application show up in D menu. I don't remember the path. It's executable, symlink it to user/bin. Programs. Why did I just move it in there? Did I do it wrong? Let's grab this. Need to be capital here. Oh no, it'll be at the bottom. Yeah, I did this link wrong. And then let's cd hyphen. Cool. Symlink. I just need there it is. Oh, I know what it is. It's because sudo And then you need, I think you need to do like the whole thing. Local share applications desktop to user bin. Nope, still don't work. Okay, whatever, I'll figure that out later. Did this? Yes. So let's move. Oh shoot. That was actually the source. I don't want that. Is it here? Yeah. So seems like not all of them. Could be wrong though. What is it called? Symbols only. Hack is one of them. Fear code. I don't use that anymore. Where's the shoot, I forgot what it's called. The one that I mainly use. Jeopardy's one of those. Okay, cool. So let's see if I can remember where it goes. I think it's in local 2. I don't think it's there. Yeah. Is it? No. Fonts directory. That's fonts directory links. User share fonts. User share are only available. Wait. User share fonts. I'll do that. So let's move all of this to user share fonts. There we go. Now my icons are there. And it did break when I refresh. Cool. Alright, what's next? Flat hub, blanket, I don't use that anymore. Obsidian though. Flatpak. Install. Obsidian. Will it search for me? I want 4. Alright, what's next? Network manager. Oh, did I install network manager? Oops. Should just be one package, right? Yeah, there it is. Okay, it's a hyphen. If I could type install network manager. Oh, okay, so I already have it. And so for Waybar, dockconfig, Waybar. I think it already has executable permissions. But just in case. Oh, I do need to do that. Okay, hold up. So, Waybar, module, Pomo, So I need to. Oh, I don't have that. Make their notifications. So let's. Oh, what got updated? I haven't been following. You can find the binary in whatever. Copy. Okay, so you still compile it. What are the changes that's happened? MySpace, help text for new flag. No work icons. Okay, cool. All right, so let me do this. Oops. And there's um, cargo build release. I think. Why do these keep falling off, man? Oh, I think I put it on the wrong way, and I just put it back on the wrong way. Cargo build release. Come on, baby. Oh, you can style it with CSS now. That's cool. Unlicensed license. Free to copy, modify, publish. Oh, I see. This one's taking long. There we go. Okay. So now we're good with that. Yep, I do need to do that. I'll do that later though. Custom CSS is on. I need to log in for my team though. Okay, so for. Uh oh. What was that? Okay. Okay, I don't have any of these solved. Fine. C spell. Clang formats. Lua. Server. Clang D. CPP lint. I sort. Markdown lint. Marksman. Why do I have so many Lua ones? Yeah, I'm not even worried about it. Oh, all those worked, right? No, they did not. Python 3 failed. Oh. Well, thanks for telling me what I have to do. I have to install virtual environments. Okay, let's try again then. Install. Install. So the npm ones I can't install. npm is not executable. Okay. Wait, let me make sure those are done. Yes. That's something I could do in apt. God dang. 30 megs? What the? This thing is massive. Well, speaking of massive, let's go ahead and remove all these. Yeah, that's gonna take a while. Anyway, background. And I'm not gonna set up QK right now. Okay. So let's get started with GNU stow. GNU stow. Oh. Symlink File Manager provides distinct sets of software. Packages are often however, stow is still used not only for software management. Stow is implemented as a combination of kernel. Okay. Is it done? Okay, cool. Oh, I do still have the install script. I'm gonna make that smarter though. This is a way smarter way I can do that. What is X though? Installation software practice, keep them separate from Well, okay. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I also need to. Something with mark view. I'll figure that out later. All right, Mason. And then what were we missing? So pilot, C spell. It's not here. C spell. What? C spell. That should work now. Yep. C spell, Clang format, Dual language server, black, Clang D, CPP lint, isort, markdown lint. I don't see markdown lint. There it is. Alright, so those are the two. That should be good now. Cool. Oh, you know what else I need? That wasn't a system package, right? Citrix. App search. Yeah. I just need to know where I'm supposed to install it from. So I don't remember. But yes, setup, utils, Citrix. This can go away, actually. I don't know why I had this up this whole time. Leave me alone. Oh no. Okay. So I didn't need to install it. So Citrix workspace. Windows Linux. Debian packages. Full package. Yeah, this is the one I need. Why isn't it working? 24.8.0.98 64. Yes. Okay. So that's that. We're done with that. Okay. Introduction. Assembly Farm Manager. Such software. Makes them all just appear in a installed to be installed in a single directory tree. Or to address the need. Okay, cool. And then we're done with this. So let's get this going. Let's time it. All right, cool. Each package is the name of a package in the package containing two files. Don't. These are parsed in that order and are appended together if they both exist. Effect of the options. Okay, so if we do this and then do like equals stow wait, I guess I'm kind of lost. Stow options package. I just kind of need to see an example. Set the stow directory to dir instead of the current directory. This also has the effect of making the default target directory parent of dir. Okay. So if we go to and then we say stow, let's just say /bash rc and package names. Is the root of a tree containing the installation image for a particular package. Each package directory must reside in a stow directory. Package directory, stow directory. Okay, maybe I'm missing something. directory and create a few directories in which we can move. Bro, what? Now for the magic, we could cd back into the .files directory and call stow, create a symlink when config for us. Wait, this is weird. So you have .config. Say I have my home directory, right? Oh.
They're the same format, but you get ranks on every map instead of from here you get one comprehensive funny number. So that one, whenever you go,
Hmm.
you can tell there because there's like.
But that's I don't like that.
Otherwise,
That's how everybody does it.
yeah, they're different. If you go into comp, you should see that every map is like two wins.
Okay, so sample. We would create a file called random.txt. Just have to run the command stow to symlink my files to my parent directory. Well, you should see in your home directory. Mm. .files. Then stow will symlink to the directory. Random. As an example, I'll create random text. Okay, I guess what I don't understand is why would you do it this way? Like, why can't I just symlink it to something else? Is this not the video for the thing I was just watching? Maybe it explains it, because I'm missing something for sure.
You want a career in cybersecurity?
Wait, why can't I hear it?
We can help you get there. Our stackable cybersecurity programs offer the flexibility to earn a higher degree.
For the longest time, I found it a
Oh.
challenge to manage my .files.
Wait, is it 'cause
My
I'm on the wrong
original
one?
setup was based on this guide provided by Atlassian. And whilst it did work, I found it to be
shoot,
a
what is
little
this
too
app
complex
called?
for my liking. After about a year of
Wasn't a public control. There it is. There we go. Okay, output devices. I want this one.
using it,
There we
I
go.
decided
Back
that
here.
there had to be a better way. and searched for a new solution. That's where I discovered GNU stow to finish. First things first, let's go ahead and create a new directory to store our .files in. This needs to be inside of your home folder. I'm going to use the .files directory for mine. The first .file that I want to manage is my .zshellrc, which is currently found in my home directory. To do so, I just copy it over using the following command. In order for GNU stow to work, it's important to lay out the files inside of this directory as if they were inside of our home folder. Therefore, because the zshellrc lives in the top level of my home directory, it needs to live in the top level of my .files folder as well. Once it's been copied over, the next thing we need to do is remove the original zshellrc from our user's home folder. You can achieve this by deleting the file, but I recommend just renaming it instead. I can check that this has been moved correctly by opening up a new terminal, which informs me that there's no zshellrc. Perfect. With that, we're ready to use GNU stow, which is where the magic of this setup happens. GNU stow is self-described as a symlink farm manager, which isn't the most descriptive title. What stow does is creates symlinks for all of the files and folders inside of the directory you pass to it. It then places these symlinks into the parent directory of where you run it. In the example on screen, you can see all of the symlinks inside of the parent directory are pointing to files and folders inside of the child one. This means by organizing all of our files in
Okay, so you ran stow over here, and it put symlinks. This.
inside of the .files directory, stow will then symlink them into their relevant locations inside of our user's home folder. Let's go ahead and do this on our .zshellrc file. To do so, first install stow onto your system using your package manager. As I'm using Arch, by the way, I'll install it using pacman. Once it's installed, it's as simple as running the stow command inside of your .files directory. Now we can check if this worked. If we look at the zshellrc inside of our home directory, we can see it's a symbolic link to the file in our .files folder. This is exactly what we want. If I open up a new terminal, then my terminal also works as it did before. Great. Before we make any more changes to our .files directory, let's first make sure we have version control enabled.
Okay, I think I get it. So I can go in. I deleted it. Okay. So I make .files, right? Oops. And then let's say you would move it though, right? Let's just copy it. So .bash rc here, and then I stow it. Existing target is neither a link nor a directory.
If we look at the zshellrc, the way I'll install it using pacman. Once it's installed, it's as simple as running the stow command inside of your .files directory. Now we can check if this worked. If we look at the zshellrc inside of our home directory, we can see it's pointing to files and folders inside of the child one. This means by organizing all of our files inside of the .files directory, stow will then symlink them into their relevant locations inside of our user's home folder. Let's go ahead and do this on our .zshellrc file. To do so, first install stow onto your system using your package manager. As I'm using Arch, by the way, I'll install it using pacman. Once it's installed, it's as simple as running the stow command inside of your .files directory. Now we can
try to see the video.
Does it where you run it. In the example on screen, you can see all of the symlinks inside of the parent. Symlink them into simple as running the stow command inside of your .files directory. Now we can check if this worked. If we look at the zshell,
it's back here.
To do so, I just copy it over using the following command. In order for GNU stow to work,
Yeah, you
it's
just
important
copied
to lay out the files inside of this directory as if they were in our home folder. Therefore, because the zshellrc lives in the top level of my home directory, it needs to live in the top level of my .files folder as well. Once it's been copied over, the next thing we need to do is remove the original zshellrc from our user's home folder. You can achieve this by deleting the file, but I recommend just renaming it instead. I can check that this has been moved correctly by opening up a new terminal, which informs me that there's no zshellrc.
Now, if I do this...
With that, we're ready to use GNU stow.
bash rc. Okay, why isn't it showing me the link? Here it is. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I just have to do that like everywhere. So firstly, let's figure out what I kept. So can I do the entire, actually, let's do the first, like, so let's move, let's move dot profile here, move dot bash aliases here too. And then I can stow it. And then let's L. What are my aliases actually? So I might add one real quick. Alias LA LS LA. Okay, cool. Anyway, ls all of the home directory. So profile is the same link, bash rc, bash aliases. Okay, cool. I also want my backup too. So let's move backup. Oh wait, it's in the home. That's why I wasn't. Backup here. Why do I keep doing that? Slash read in here. What else do I want? Get modules. Oh, I do want that. Let's move to get. Let's move the get stuff in here. Let's see how that goes. Get here. Get ignore does not need to be here, but modules does. So for GNU stow, right, for this, where's the documentation? Actually, it's right here. So the ignore file. Still searches for a default command. Options at .stow rc current directory. Okay, so let's do .stow rc. If both are present, the file are effectively appended together. The effect in the research file is if we prepared the options. Okay.
Competitive is just the format. Competitive is like their own.
What? Oh, there we go. Ignore files ending in this pro regex. Well, I do not feel like doing that. Where's the ignore file? .stow local ignore. Mark view attempted in is list, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's a later problem. Still wants to use the context.
Hey, Boston. What's your acceptable take here, man? Yeah, you turned me back down again?
Okay. Subdirectory. Still first iterates through the chosen ignore list. Then in order, shall we calculate?
Yeah. You get the fucking ban Anubis every time. It's awesome.
Hmm.
So you choose 3 maps to ban that.
Okay, so first of all, that's fine.
Let's go, baby.
That's also fine.
No, they ban more. They ban one more. And then you get to pick our side. Start on TP. It's T for me. Sorry.
Actually, I think that's literally all I needed.
Oh, have you actually never played for her yet? Have you, like, do you actually think, oh, did you think that the whole time? Pasta. Wait, have you ever played for her before? Wait, see, how
Oh
many
yeah, I
games
gotta
are you
restart
thinking
this.
that you
I don't feel like it right now though. ls all profile bash rc aliases backup. I did say backup, right? Yes. Cool. Okay, so now what do I want out of the config directory? These can go. Oh, I do want this one. Copy. Stop. Firefox. A Chrome. Use a Chrome here. Or actually, I want to move it. Can I move with directory structure? Yeah, let's just copy it for now. That's not what I wanted.
Stop being impressed. It's Counter-Strike.
Do not follow, preserve.
Pasta does whatever Pasta wants. Pasta's too confident to think about strategy. Also, someone has got to pretend to watch mid for 5 seconds before you tell me. Good shit. I'm scared. Out. B.
Preserve the specified attributes. Oh. Copy directories recursively. Yeah, that should have worked then. What? What am I missing here? Maybe it's because I did this. There it is. That wasn't full recursive.
Now you got it.
It's just a... Okay. So,
So a friend taught me a trick that you can have the round end volume when that music starts.
move, file, and parent directories.
I had it really low. So it can do all of that.
Directories, Linux.
Like lower mid or what?
Okay. Whatever. Let's just do it like this. Wait, am I stupid? Bro, I think I might be a little silly. Okay. So now, let me double check. Yep, we're good. So now I can go.
Lock it in, honestly. Not force running every round.
Let's try to stow it first. Neither a link nor directory. So let's remove. Now let's try it again. There we go. Okay, so that's that one. And then now for the config directory.
What's in there? At least right now. Last week.
Assets. I have the README in here, so I'll need the config. I mean the assets. But that's going into ignore.
No! Stop is limited vulnerability. Why?
It'll be wasn't it like still check or something? Nope. That's whatever. So we'll need to copy. Okay. And then Dunst is needed. That's something that I think I forgot, low key. Yes, sir. Okay. What? Oh. Yeah, I did forget it. This is for. Let's just do this. Dunst. Um. Then let's copy. .config Dunst here recursively. Then copy recursively kitty.
Honestly, I still think I would have.
Oops.
Yeah,
What'd I mess up? Oh.
it looked okay when I first got it, but now
What does this even have in it?
it's because the I think it looks really good with like back and
Hmm.
most of my stuff's like mid-wear, but like certain skins mid-wear is like affected a lot less. Yeah, yeah.
Nope, that's wrong.
My eyes.
Also, this is wrong too. This should be in .config. That's okay though. I could do it. Ultra. Desktop themes. Wait, this is wrong. Desktop. And then copy recursively. .config. Waybar. W logout. And then let's go ahead and make the .config directory. Move Dunst, Kitty, Neovim, Sway, Tofi, Desktop, Waybar, and W logout to .config. Okay, and then copy .config, install here. And then this is progs. And then both of those go in the ignore. Install progs. Okay. What am I missing? Oh yeah, because this isn't gonna work. Look at that. Okay. So also means that I need to go to .config. And then we could do one at a time. So let's remove, or I don't even need to do that, right? We just remove this and then it'll be good. Can I do one at a time? Stow. Oh, duckfig dunst. Stow dunst. Wait, what? Oh. Where is that? Dot config. I don't think it did anything. Wait, what? ls. Oh, it did the other way. Shoot. I messed up. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. I really should have done one at a time. Because then this wouldn't have been up bad. I'm pretty sure there's a better way to do this, but whatever. No, did I just delete these two? Oh, you're kidding me, bro. Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah, okay, they're still here. Yeah, okay, we're cool. Okay, why aren't these sim links getting removed? What's happening? Oh, I did remove these. It's whatever. I'll just reclone. At least I know what I'm doing now. To make sure I do the stow in the right directory. Alright, cool.